Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me for another math session. So today let us see the part 4 of the exponents and powers. So here we have to find the value of. So this is the question given and we have to find the value of n. So now this is same what I have written the question over here. So now what we can see here 3's and 2's. So what we'll do here, this will be 9 is going to be 3 square will be 9. So this will be same. This will be same. Again, this 27 will be 3 into 3 into 3. That will be 27. So 3 cube and this n as it is. Now this one we can write it with this, you know the rule, a raised to m raised to n, that is a raised to mn. So this we have to multiply. So we'll get here 3 raised to 15 and this will be as it is. So now again this one, that is the same that we have to multiply, then you'll get here 3 raised to 2n. This will be as it is. This will be as it is. Again here 3 raised to 3n. And here this same. And this one 1 by 27, we can write here, you know this will be 3 into 3 into 3, that will be 3 cube. But then when you take here up, so what will be that? This is going to be negative. The exponent is going to be negative. So now look at here. Here what we can see, this is all the multiplication. So you know a raised to m into a raised to n, that is a raised to m plus n. But even if you have three numbers, we can add all the exponents because you can see the base is the same for this one. So you are going to add this exponent. So can you see this have been added? And this will remain as it is because it is minus 3 raised to 3n. So when you add this one and this denominator same, this also same. So when you add the exponent, so what is that going to be? 2 and this n is going to be 3n. This plus 2 as it is, and this will be as it is. And what you can do, this you can take on the right hand side. So when you take this is in the denominator, when you take on the right hand side, that is going to get in the numerator. So this will be as it is. This when it goes here, so this is what is this went over here. So now in the denominator there is nothing. So now this again you will write as it is. So what we can see now, these base are the same. So this, you know, that is a raised to m into a raised to n, that is a raised to m plus n, because if the bases are same. So what you can write here, minus, sorry, this is, I'll just write it again. So that will be that will be 3 raised to minus 3 plus 15. Sorry for that. So now what is that? This is going to be added, that is minus 3 plus 15, and this will be as it is. So now what we can see, this is one part and the other part. So from this one, we can take 3 raised to 3n. That is common. So what remains this here when it is like this means 3 raised to 3n into 3 raised to 2. So here remains inside is 3 raised to 2. And this will be because there's nothing over here. That means it is 1. So see here, when you expand this one, you get the same as this one. Hope you got this. This minus 1 is very important because you took common over here. So what remains here is 1. So now expand it to 3 raised to this will be 1. And here when you minus 3 plus 15 will be 12. Plus 15 and minus 3, that is going to be 12. And this as it is. So now what you can write for this one, 3 square is going to be 9. And this all things as it is. So now 2 cube will be 8. This will be as it is. So 9 minus 1, 8. As it is. Here, same. So now, first thing what will we take, we'll write here 3 raised to 3n, same on the side. This will be same here, but when you take, this is actually multiplication. When you take on the other side, it is going to go in the denominator. So what happens here? 8 and 8 gets cancelled, ones are. So here 3 raised to 3n same, here same. So now what we can see again, here we can see the base are the same. So the exponents also should be same. So here 3n is going to be 12. What is here? So what will be here? N will be what we want the value of n. So n is going to be, actually this is multiplication. So that will be 2, 12. This will go in the denominator. So 3 ones are 3 fours are. So n is 4. Now look at here. This is a question given. Again, here we have to find the value of n. So this thing same I wrote over here. So now again, what I'll do, I can see a 3. So I'll make this 2 because 3 square is 9. And this as it is. So now what you can see this one. So can you see the base same? So this will be added a raised to m into a raised to n, that is a raised to m plus n. So this is m plus n. So here the same. So now again the base is same means you're going to just consider the exponents. That also should be same. So 2 plus n is 6. So n is going to be 6 is on its place. But when you take this over that side means this is actually plus. So this is going to get subtracted. You know when the LHS and RHS, when there is plus, it becomes minus. When there is minus, it becomes plus. Multiplication becomes division and division becomes multiplication. So here, answer is 4. So now we are going to simplify this one. So now look at here. This was in the horizontal way. Same thing I wrote it in a vertical way. So now what I can do here, this is 5 times. So I put a bracket over here because that is minus. So I put a bracket. So that thing, I just expanded it. I wrote it 5 times. And same here, this is 4. So now again, this is minus over here. So I wrote same thing. I wrote 4 times. So now see here, whenever there is an odd number over here. So what we can say that we don't have to say wherever there is minus and we find an odd number over here. That means the sign is going to be negative. So this is going to be negative. Even if it is anything, it can be 3, 5, 7, 9. The power, you'll see whether it's an odd number or an even number. So if it is odd, you're going to write minus over here, and then you're just going to multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Now again here, what is the power here? This is 4. So this is an even number, means this is going to be positive over here. So this is 1 by, so 1, 3 3s are 9, 27, and this will be 81. So this one. So now this is here, this is the numerator and this is the denominator. So the numerator is going to be as it is, but when the denominator is in the fraction, what you do, usually we flip over, that is called, this goes up. So 81 divided by 1, usually we don't write 1. So this is 1 by 81, it will be 81 divided by 1. And now when you multiply this, see the sign minus and you get 2592. Now look at this problem. Again, here what is that? This will be 9, this will be 4 divided by, this is the power is, the exponent here is 2, so you multiply this 2 times. So now this will be 5. This will be, because this is multiplication, see, because multiplication means even if the denominator is the same, you have to multiply this. So that is going to be 1 by 25. And now look at here. Whenever you have such type of problem and there is a division, this is the left-hand side and this is the right-hand side. Whatever the number on the left-hand side is going to be the same, but the division we have to multiply it. And since you have multiplied this becomes the reciprocal. Means 25 goes up and 1 will go in the denominator. But that one doesn't make any sense over here. So now 25 into 5 into 25, that is 125. Now look at here. First thing, here what you can see now, the base are different, but the exponents are same. So whenever we have such step, so just look at this formula. 1 by a by b raised to m into, we can write c by d raised to m, means the exponents are the same. So what we do, we multiply the base. We multiply the base and exponent, we write it only once. So same rule we are going to follow over here. We are going to multiply the base. So we have multiplied the base and the exponents we have kept same. So now we can simplify this. 7 1s are, 7 2s are. So this is going to be what? 3 by 2. This is what I wrote here, 3 by 2. And the exponent is 3. So that says that this is 3 raised to 3 and 2 raised to 3. And whenever you multiply 3 means 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27 by 8. Now look at here. Now here, this is a division over here. So what will you do here? Now you can see the base is the same. So now see here, you are going to follow this rule where the base is the same. So here, even if it is in fraction, you are going to follow the same rule. Like whenever a raised to m divided by a raised to n, that will be a raised to m minus n. But even if you have in fraction, that will be in place of a, that will be a by b, m raised to n. The same thing you are going to follow over here. And that will be this, you are going to subtract it because this is division. So minus 6 minus 5. And this, whenever there is minus 6 minus 5, means in integers what you do, you actually add these two, that will be 11, but you both are negative, means you are going to put here negative. Here, this you are going to add, look at here, and you are going to say, this is minus 11. Now see here, whenever we have the negative exponent, we have to make it positive. This has nothing to do. This negative whatever is inside has nothing to do. It will be the same, but the exponent should be positive. So what will you do? This you are going to flip over along with the sign. So here, see 9 is here and minus 5 as it is. But then when you flip over, that means this becomes positive. So now what you can do, see here, whenever you have in the denominator negative, means you can also write in the numerator this 9. Both is the same, because here plus divided by minus is going to be minus, or minus divided by plus also is going to be minus. So it doesn't matter. So we'll write it up. So this is the final answer. Now look at here. Now this is the reciprocal, means you are going to write here. This is a negative one. So that is the here. So whenever you this, that you are going to make a reciprocal of that, that is going to be, you are going to write your 1 by 4. Division sign as it is. 3 raised to minus 1 means that will be, you are going to make it to positive. That will be 1 by 2. This will be as it is. So now again what I said, this is left hand side, right hand side, because there is a division sign in between. Left hand side as it is, this becomes multiplication. Since this became multiplication, this will get flip over. That is 3 by 1. And let us skip this side. Then this will be 3 and this is going to be 4. So 3 by 4. So now what I'm going to do, now you got a single number. So now you're going to make this as positive. So you're going to flip over this one. So 4 by 3 raised to 2. So 4 by 3 means it is going to be 4 raised to 2, 3 raised to 2. That is the rule. Whenever you have a by b raised to m, something will be this into this into this one. So now this will be 4 square will be 16. 4 into 4, 16, and 3, this will be 9. Now here, again here we have the negative sign. The exponent is negative, so let us make it to positive. So this will go up and this one. So that is going to be 3 raised to 3. Minus sign as it is. Here again that is negative. You can make it positive by flipping over. That will be 2 raised to 3. This let us write same. See here, don't try to minimize the steps. If you minimize the step, you are bound to make mistake. So write as many steps as you can. So now look at here. Again, this is a negative one. Here, this is going to be 4 raised to 3. Now, 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3. That is going to be 3. This is a 9, 19, 27 here. Again, 2 cube means 2, that is multiplied 3 times. That will be 8. This as it is. Now, 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. So now when you subtract this, you get 19. This you get 64. So same thing, whatever is in the horizontal, I wrote this in a vertical way. So this is the answer. So by this one, we have completed today's work. So please do like and subscribe to this channel so you get the notification of the other parts and many more. Thank you.